Hello again, and welcome to Chef on a Boat, where I'll show you how to create large flavors in small spaces. I've had a lot of people ask me, how do I get the skin on my salmon so crispy? So today I thought I would show you how to make perfectly crispy skin on salmon, or really any fish. So let's go ahead and get started.
The first step to getting perfectly crispy skin is to remove any moisture, so pat it down and dry it well with paper towels. Scoring the skin with a sharp knife helps it to adhere better to the pan and prevents it from curling up. You want to make the cuts between 1/8 and 1/4 of an inch deep. Another secret to getting crispy skin is to make sure that the pan is hot and the oil is shimmering. Press the salmon down firmly with a flexible spatula to help the skin adhere to the pan. And then just let it cook for about 5 to 6 minutes, skin side down. Once it's flipped, it only needs to be cooked very briefly for about 15 seconds on the flesh side, and then it's all done. Today I'm serving the salmon on a bed of upma with sautéed shiitake mushrooms and soy glazed harcourt verts. I'm also finishing it with a tamari ponzu sauce.
You can find this recipe on chefonaboat.wordpress.com. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, bon appetit!